make it burn. I'ma make it burn. Let's go.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Octane Ray 392. This is a quick tutorial on how to remove your 392 fog light. And as you can see, mine is out already. I've already recorded me taking it out, but this is why it's just not holding up any good anymore. So I'm gonna get these redone and do a little something different to it. So I hope you guys like it. And this is a quick tutorial of how to remove these from the bumper without breaking anything and so forth. So here we go. All right, guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to remove your fog lights from your 392 bumper. So as you can see, fog lights in there. There are 4 clips. There's one here, here, and then there's 2 that's very close right here. Now you see I'm pointing to them with a flathead screwdriver because I'm going to be using a flathead screwdriver to move the clips up gingerly, not to break them. But as I move it up, I'm going to pull back. So as you can see, have that one out. And go over here, getting close to the edge of it, push it up and pulling. So you see the top is out. Now for the bottom, same thing. As you can see right here, I'm doing the same thing. I can't get a really good angle of it while I'm recording. Okay, so you see right there. Okay, so this camera keeps focusing on my hand and not the clip. As you can see, that one is under. Now the other one is really tight. You can't really see it from this angle. Sorry. But pulling down and almost got it. It's taking a little bit longer because I have my camera in one hand. There we go. Then yeah, see, and this is why I'm pulling my headlight out, my fog light out, because I'm getting my halos and stuff redone pretty much, and this is why. So just want to label these. This is my driver's side, this is my passenger. I already took this one out. So yeah, I'm just getting some stuff redone on the charger. That's why if you see my Instagram, my bumper's off still. So this is why. All right, guys, later. All right, so that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick tutorial on how to remove your fog lights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll be giving you guys more quick, short videos on how to do things to the car and what to not do to the car. Later.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!